something for cereal. He's attacking my baby birds. They took 2 of my ducks and injured my leghorn yesterday. So I got all 4 of my dogs in 4 strategic locations at all 4 corners of the property. That way, if the sneaky little buster comes back on, he's gonna be met with a force he's not ready for. Of domination, penetration. Let's see if these guys are smart. We got some smart ones. But the main ones are all dumb still over there. The ones that want to be warned are all over here. Then we got some swagger daggers. What the hell you doing? You go over there, come on! Hey, get out of there! Go over there where the heat is! What's wrong with you? You silly or just stupid culero, pendejo? Cállate en los ceros. Man, what's wrong with those little dudes? Why hang out in the heat when, the cold when you got the double lamp action going dizzound for Rizzound? Nope. Searching for my vapor. La da 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 da. Looks like I done lost it. Let me shut this up for tonight. The ants rain down on me, god dang it. You hush your tucker dooey booty up, man. You hush your booty woody up, man. You ain't running nothing up, man. Put your dang mouth, sucker. This sucks. Thanks, Rodney. Eat your food, chill out, homie. Eat your cheddar. Chiquita, burrito, cepito, cepeto, sapira, sepera, siquiera, se quiere, sepura, supura. El pinche el panto de pisillo, pancho. Pancho de día, soca la cira. Sí, my señorita. Yeah. Pinchecito. Culero pendejo. Pichecito. Culero pendejo. Come on, guys.